In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download subtitles from Amazon Prime Video. To start, it is important to understand that Amazon Prime Video does not provide an official method to download subtitle files separately. This means you cannot get subtitles in formats like OS, ST, or VTT on their own. This is designed to ensure that subtitles are viewed only within the Prime Video player. Understanding this limitation upfront will help you set realistic expectations about what you can do with subtitles on the platform. Now, if your aim is simply to watch content with subtitles, the process is straightforward. First, open the movie or TV show you want to watch on Prime Video. As the video loads, you will see the playback controls at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will manage your viewing experience. It's crucial to have subtitles enabled if you need them for better comprehension or if you prefer to watch with translations. Next, start playback of your selected title. Once the video begins, focus on the controls at the bottom of the screen. Look for the subtitles and audio icon, which resembles a speech bubble. Clicking on this icon will open a menu that allows you to select subtitles. This step is essential because it ensures you have the right language displayed on your screen, making your viewing experience more enjoyable. From there, select your preferred subtitle language from the list provided. The available languages will depend on the content you are watching. Once you make your selection, you will notice that the subtitles appear during playback. This immediate feedback confirms that your action was successful and that you can now follow along with the dialogue more easily. Remember, having subtitles can enhance your understanding of the content, especially if it is in a foreign language. If you have downloaded a movie or episode for offline viewing, the steps are slightly different. First, open the Prime Video app on your device. This is where you can access all your downloaded content conveniently. It is a great feature for those who may want to watch without relying on an internet connection. Knowing this can save you from potential streaming issues later, especially when traveling or in areas with poor connectivity. Next, go to the Download section within the app. Here you will find all the titles you have saved for offline viewing. Selecting this section makes it easy to find what you want to watch without scrolling through your entire library. Once you locate and select the downloaded title, tap to play it. During playback, you will need to use the Subtitles and Audio menu again to enable available subtitles. Just like before, click on the speech bubble icon to access the menu. This step is vital because it activates the subtitles you need for the best viewing experience. The subtitles are included within the app experience, meaning they will not be saved as separate files. This is important to keep in mind as it reinforces the limitations of subtitle access on Amazon Prime Video. Finally, it's essential to clarify that you cannot download subtitle files from Amazon Prime Video. This includes formats like OS, ST, or .vtt. There is also no option to export subtitle tracks from movies or shows. If you need subtitle files for accessibility or translation purposes, you will need to find them from authorized sources. This ensures you are using legitimate content and helps maintain copyright compliance. Thank you for watching and enjoy your viewing experience on Amazon Prime Video.